Yo, what is going on? This is Andrew, known as Zerodrawdrew from Pip Catchers Administration. Welcome back to another weekly analysis. So if you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button. Also give us a thumbs up if you like these videos, so it motivates us to continue doing these weekly analysis. If you're new to the channel, just stick around. I'm going to mark up the charts, and then at the end of the markups, I'm going to explain everything. So, yeah. Alright guys, I'm playing jazz today. I don't know what you guys prefer, that non-copyright, house music, or this jazz. I can't play regular songs because then they're gonna take my stuff off the internet. Okay, without further ado, stay tuned and let's go. Seven oh 70 37. Guess we're not gonna drive up to 4,000. I guess we're not going to drive up to 4,000. We don't have any buys, so we play with price, fellas. Oh, by the way, I've been working very hard on this course. It should be coming out within the next week or so. I have like 1 or 2 videos left to record, and then I have to edit everything. So I know I said the 19th, it's the 18th today. Just be patient. It'll be out pretty soon. Okay. Sucks, like I really want to play regular music, but last time I did that they took this video off the internet, so sorry guys if you guys want to put in headphones. Like I said, 3.7 is a key level, so I'm gonna have that on the hourly. Still feel like we want to take buyers' liquidity above this level. Right now it seems like that won't happen because of the weekly chart, because we took out this weekly wick, so we may be able to push lower to that bottom liquidity level. We are watching this 3-7 key support, which is right here, so we may drop there and then come up, form some price action. Like I said, wait till the end. We're going to go over everything because I'm going to put my finishing touches on this and figure out what we want to do then. For the most part, GBP, this looks pretty correlated as well. I think we want to drop to this bottom right here. I called this, well, I called the idea. I didn't call the whole move because we didn't execute GJ. But kind of get the picture. I said on the daily chart that, you know, whenever you see something like this, it's manipulated. You know, it comes up, and I called this reaction right here. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna drop. Watch this key support. I think we're gonna take that out. Yeah, I think we're gonna drop to there. That's for level 2. Whenever I see something like this, you know, so yeah, last week I called this move over here. I said we're gonna wait for a reaction to that right shoulder. We bounced. You guys could have took a bunch of pips from that move. 100 pips from that left shoulder. You guys get the picture. See, so this is what I mean. Like, you just want to take these trades and, you know, measure them, get a 1-to-1, and move on to the next move. So as you can see over here on the right shoulder, we called this move on Friday. Last Sunday. Obviously, we bounced from that level. You could have took a quick move, but then when you saw this crown form, you could have been aware of that and then, you know, did something there. You always want to play it by the day. Watching this. That's that other level on the daily right here. That was this right there. But I think we're gonna take that out. Looks like it, but we just need more price action before that happens. We do have this crown neck right here, so we want to wait for like a heel. We need a little bit more price action before anything on this, but long term it looks like we're going to take out these levels and start to drop probably further. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. good morning, good morning. Like I said, at the end we're going to put our finishing touches, explain everything, so if you don't want to watch, if you don't want to learn, skip to the end. I'm only marking these up so that you guys can learn how to mark up these charts. Check out this work. We're probably going to take out that work. It's a bull trap on a weekly chart. The only thing I don't like is that it's holding that trend line still, which probably will take out that trend line, probably. It drops to those lows. I called this last week too. So last week, I had this shoulder. I thought we were gonna move higher. I thought, we were gonna move to these resistance levels for a swing. But if you entered that right there, you guys could have caught like 30 to 40 pips. But I did call that move right there on Monday. But just like the other pair, it failed. Price move on. I think we got to react to that trend line. I think I said this like a couple weeks ago in like a couple weeks analysis. I said that we were going to consolidate until we meet that trend line. We're coming close to it, so kind of are in this range still. I would stay away from Euro USD. This is just something I don't want to mess with Euro USD, but this is a markup for it. called this last week too. I said that we were going to drive up to that U resistance at 1824. A lot of free value for you guys. A lot of free value. A lot of free value. All I hear is excuses. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. $18.08. We do have this U. The crown was never fully broken. I don't know if we're gonna come back down and take that out now. We might, because the daily we never dropped into that value. This U, we just gotta wait for price, to be honest with you. I don't do this long-term stuff. See, so last week I saw this crown. I want to point this out. If you guys want to go back, you can. I pointed out this crown. I said price needed to drop to the neckline. Once it dropped to the neckline, it came back into value, and then boom, it pushed to that resistance line. As I said, that would have been the target. So this 1894 to 1824. There's a free 300 pips. Free 300 pips. Okay. Where are we gonna go now, gold? Where are we gonna go now? We got the buyer's liquidity above that 1824 key level. Where are we gonna go now? Support back into this value. Came back into here. I don't like having too many trend lines on the screen. I don't like having too many. Gold looks like a tricky one this week. Don't really have a bias on gold. Because this is drive up. This drive up. We might drive up one more time. Just wait till the end. I'm gonna go over everything in a little bit. I'm just thinking. So, okay. I think I got it. I think I got it. Of course I got it. Honestly, whatever happens, I'm gonna figure it out. Regardless. Whatever happens. I figure it out regardless. Let's go. Problem, you can't think too much, but you gotta think a lot. So, you know, this game is, it's like being you gotta be comfortable with being bipolar in this game, because it's very weird. It's like, it's a strange industry to be in. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Alright, so sellers down here. Alright, that's about it right now. Just give me a couple minutes. I'm going to write out my ideas. That way I'm not all over the place when I'm trying to explain it. And then I'm going to go over it. See how everything reacts just so perfect. Everything. Where is the seller's liquidity? Which is right here. for, right? Okay, let me just put in my notes real quick. So the weekly. Alright, so the weekly closed above this 1803. Alright, so I'm watching this support level, 1808, and then I'm watching this support level, 1804, right here, right? So, and then I'm also watching this trend line and this trend line right here, right? And also this trend line. Overall, on the weekly, I think we want to push down. I mean, on the daily, I think we want to push down because we have this U right here, and usually when I see a U like this, price wants to move to the bottom of the crown. But we are watching. We don't have any bias, you know, so we just play with price on the hourly chart, right? All the buyers' liquidity is above this trend line right here and this trend line right here. So if we open up, right, and price moves higher like this, we're gonna look for the bull trap somewhere over here. Once that bull trap's confirmed in this trend line and it comes back into value, we could smash that short probably all the way back down, but we don't have any bias. And if price does drop first, kind of like last week how I explained, if price drops through this trend line first, we're going to see the reaction push up. If price does drop first, look for a bear trap to this level, which is 1808, because that's a key zone, or 1802, where you could see, you know, a bearish trap over there, and then look for the buy opportunity up to the next resistance level. So overall, I think we're pushing down because of this. You know, we came back into that U value, so we may drive up to, you know, that U. We may retest that U one more time. So, you know, it might come up to that 1823. That's where you might trap. It might trap the bulls up there and then come back down. But we don't have any bias. If it drops down first, traps bears, then we're gonna look for that buy opportunity. So that's that. Let me put in the notes. On the hourly, we came back into the trend line value. We're holding 1803. If price drops first, look for it. 1808. 8. Okay. On the hourly, we came back into the trend line value. We're holding 1803 on a weekly chart. If price drops first, look for bear traps to 1808 or 1802. If price moves higher first, look for bull traps to the retest of the U resistance and trend line at 1824. Okay. That is gold. Euro USD. Something I don't want to play with, but I didn't look on the daily chart on this. Did not look on the daily chart. This thing looks like it's set to fall further, honestly, but the only thing that I don't like is that it's still holding this trend line, right? So we have that wick right there. So think about that wick right there, that wick that was taken out, and then we try bulls again. I think we're set to go, but we don't have any buyers, so I'm just gonna play it with day. Like I said, the bullish liquidity was never grabbed above this level, so I might sound very confusing to somebody that has no idea what they're doing. So if you guys want to be up to date with this, like I said, this course is dropping within the next week or so. So if you want to start learning how to trade like this, shoot me a DM on Instagram.com/Zerodrawdrew and I'll get that information for you. Okay. Alright, so 1.18377, 1.18377, right? We're looking at that level, 1.18377. That is 377. That level, believe it or not, is very strong. That is the level where we got that buy opportunity last week. Remember, see that bear trap right there? That would have been good. 377, that level. Okay, so we're watching this left shoulder too, so this is my idea, right? Overall, I think we want to take out this trend line. I think we want to take this out and move to this double bottom support, which is right there, 1700, 100 pips away, but we didn't fully take out that level yet. So we need to wait for something over here. I need to wait for more price action. Okay, so on the key level right there, right? one time. So this is what I'm doing with Euro USD. With Euro USD, don't like this, man. Don't like Euro USD at all. Never did. Honestly, never liked Euro USD. Even when I started, I think I took a big loss in the beginning of my career with Euro USD, and it's just one pair that I just stay the hell away from. But so many people request it, so I mark it up for you guys. But I never liked Euro USD. Never. So, okay, so back to topic. I know how to trade Euro USD. I just don't trade it because in the beginning, when I didn't know what I was doing, I probably took a big loss with it. So, not that I don't know what I'm doing. I just don't like to trade it. So, Euro USD, we had this wick holding this trend line right here. But as you could see, last week we almost took out that wick, which means that price wants to drop further. That trend line is still holding up the value on the daily chart. It does look like we want to continue moving down right now, but that trend line, who knows what's going to happen. I've seen it happen before. Support can be found there, but right now it looks like we're pointing down overall. So don't have any bias right now. On the hourly chart, I have these levels marked up right here. That resistance level at that 350 is a key resistance level. So like the other pair, I want to see if price drops first or rallies first. If price drops first, we're going to look for bear traps to this 1.17800 support level, right? If price rallies first, we're going to look for that bull trap above that 1.18350 or 370 resistance level. So overall, I think we want to push down, so I want to look for that bull trap, but at the same time, we don't have any bias, so if it does come down first and happens to trap bears here, look for the bear trap and then look for the buy opportunity up to the trend lines and then play with price when that happens. So that's Euro USD. I'm put in my notes. So like I said, overall, almost took out the weekly wick. So it looks down overall to the double top neckline, which is like right here. Only reason why I feel weird shorting that is because the buyer's liquidity was never up here. It was never taken up there, and that's why I'm kind of uncertain about Euro USD and everything against the dollar, because I think we need to take that liquidity before anything, honestly. So usually when it looks like a sell, it's going to move up when the liquidity is never caught, So that's why I don't have any bias. So if price does drop down first, look for the bear trap over here. If price rallies over here, look for the bull trap the bull trap for the short opportunity down to there, okay? If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram.com/Zerodrawdrew. I'll help you out the best I can. But yeah, the way I trade is I'll mark up these charts and then I'll pick a session and then I'll react to what I see. So that was Euro USD. Here's GBP USD, GBP USD. GBP JPY, right? Similar thing, right? So like everything looks down, but it hasn't fully taken out that one level, like every pair, gold, GBP JPY, GBP USD, they haven't taken out this level fully. So that's why, I'm a little uncertain with it. So we need to wait for how price reacts to these levels, and that's that. But overall, with GBP JPY, it does look like we're pushing down. But you guys got to watch this 151.290 support level, which is right here, so I do want to see, more price action form. Right now, it's too early to really, do anything, take a short or a buy. You need to wait for price action to form. I want to see price move up first, maybe form something, on Monday, Sunday into Monday. And if that sell opportunity sets up, we're going to look for that bull traps to that 151.310 key level. So when this level is taken out, if it holds first and then takes it out, we're going to look for that short. If it just drops and then comes back into value, it could be a bear trap and then price can move higher. So you just want to react to what we see. So first, Monday, we want to wait for the open. We want to wait for price action to form. And then when price action forms, we'll be able to make a decision. But overall, on the daily chart, this thing is pointing down. So I want to have, I want to start looking for sell opportunities if it sets up, That's GBP JPY, GBP JPY, GBP looks down on daily, looks like we want to drop to 140, 050 support. We haven't taken out 151.290s. Okay, so you guys got it, right? So GBP JPY does look down overall. On the weekly, we took out that wick. Price does look like it's heading down. This is like a liquidity level right here down at the bottom. That's where sellers are looking to enter on a swing. So we want to wait for a reaction at this 151.290 key level. I want to wait for price to form, because I think it's a little early. We might get something overnight where it'll form something. Then we could react to what we see at that 151.300 key level. That's GBP JPY. GBP USD, kind of similar story, right? We took out this weekly chart. We took out this weekly wick, right? All the sellers' liquidity is down at this 1.36600 key level. But on the daily chart, we have to worry about this key support at this 1.37070 key support level. So if price drops down first, we're going to look for bear traps to that level. But if price moves up higher to this level, we're going to look for bull traps and then short when it comes back in. Alright guys, that's it for this week's analysis. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram.com/Zerodrawdrew. If you like this video, smash that like button so it motivates us to continue doing these videos. If you want to look at the charts overall, join our EchoFin group. They're all going to be printed and displayed there. Okay? Other than that, enjoy your Sunday. Have a good day.